just starting off at the base of the tree. You have the tree is planted and rooted in something bigger. You, as a healthy individual that you want to become, you need to root yourself in something bigger. You need to root yourself into your morals, your values, so then you can be able to expand. Fully Connected Counseling. Welcome back to the Fully Connected Podcast. I am your host, Chris Jones, and I'm a licensed therapist. Today we're going to talk about how we should live our life. I like to speak in metaphors, analogies, and I like to compare the things that I can see in the world to be able to help people like yourself to understand the world a little bit better. So I like to connect the dots. The other day I was looking at a tree and I realized we should be more like a tree. Being a healthy individual is really kind of like being a healthy tree. You see, a healthy tree has different components about it that makes it healthy. All right. And so you can kind of see, even just starting off at the base of the tree, you have the tree is planted and rooted in something bigger. You, as a healthy individual that you want to become, you need to root yourself in something bigger. You need to root yourself into your morals, your values, so then you can be able to expand, right? And what a tree does, it grows, its strength is really underneath the ground. That's how it gets its water, its nutrition, all that stuff. So the tree is firmly planted, rooted into the ground. The other part of the tree, you can see it's sturdy, right? It's not rigid, but it's sturdy. It can be able to hold whatever comes its way. You see, the tree is very sturdy and it's solid. You being a healthy individual, you need to be solid. You need to be sturdy. You need to be stable financially and emotionally, right? And then when you can see the tree at the top of the tree, it has flexibility. It's able to bend. As the healthy individual that you would like to become, you need to be able to bend. Trees that cannot bend and that are too rigid, they snap when the storm comes. You don't want to snap when the storm comes. Too many people snap when the storm comes. And what that looks like in real life is, having an outburst, getting angry, getting a DV charge, getting into some kind of legal trouble, getting in trouble with your partner. You snapping. You don't want to snap. When people snap, it's because their mindset, their beliefs, their thoughts possibly might have been too rigid. So once again, we want to be like a tree, and a tree is flexible, sturdy, and rooted in something bigger than itself. Okay, so you got to ask yourself, what are you rooted in? Okay, what makes you solid and what makes you flexible? So then you can be able to live your life like a tree. And if you do it well enough, that tree can multiply and make more trees and more. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you want more information, make sure you go to fullyconnectedcounseling.com. We got you covered. Until then, we'll see you on the next video. Peace.